Hello, I am Nancy Cheney, reading specialist at Epic Charter Schools. Today we're going to work on Oklahoma Academic Standards for 3rd grade. Specifically, English Language Arts Standard 3.4.R.4 says students will infer relationships among words, including synonyms, antonyms, homographs, and homonyms. Today we are going to look at homonyms and homographs. Homonyms are a pair of words pronounced the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Homonym examples would be see and see. S-E-A means water like the ocean. S-E-E means to see with your eyes. Clothes and clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S are the clothes that we wear on our body. But C-L-O-S-E is what you would do to your bedroom door, to close. Paws and paws. P-A-W-S are the little pads on the feet of a dog. P-A-U-S-E is to stop for just a moment, to pause. The second row we have flower and flower. F-L-O-W-E-R is like the bud on a plant. F-L-O-U-R is ground wheat or another item that you use to make bread or cake. Sun and sun. Sun was like you are your father's son. And S-U-N is the shining sun in our galaxy that gives us light and warmth. Ant and ant. A-N-T is a little insect that crawls on the ground. A-U-N-T is a relative, a lady relative of yours. We're going to read the sentence and tell which homonym belongs in the sentence. Number 1, June went to put the blank in the vase. Would it be flower or flower? We talked about those and we know that F-L-O-W-E-R is the blossom on the plant, so we will put flowers in the sentence. June went to put the flowers in the vase. Number 2, at the beach, the blank was very hot. The sun was very hot. Would it be S-O-N or S-U-N? S-U-N means the shining sun in the sky. At the beach, the sun was very hot. Number 3, my blank lives in Tulsa. An A-N-T or an A-U-N-T? Not a little insect, but our relative, ant. And for dinner, we are going to have chili. C-H-I-L-L-Y or C-H-I-L-E. Of course, it will be the mixture of meat and beans called chili, C-H-I-L-E. Let's look at homographs. Homographs are a pair of words which are spelled the same but have different meanings and can be pronounced differently. As in our example of pictures here, we have dove and dove. Those are the first two words here. You'll see they're spelled the same. They have different meanings, different pronunciations. Secondly, we have B-O-W, bow and bow. A bow would be something you might wear in your hair. Bow is to bend at the waist to accept applause. Then we have wind and wind. Wind is blowing air, air moving. Wind is to turn something, to wind it up. Bottom row we have tire and tire. They're pronounced the same, but one is the rubber thing, rubber surface around a tire, around a wheel. The other one is to get tired or to tire. And fair and fair. You might want to go to the state fair where there's lots of rides and food. It's like a big celebration. But also fair can mean that a game is played correctly. All the members are playing. It is fair. Read the sentences and then write the meaning of the underlined homograph. Number 1, after the song, the performer took a bow or bow. a bow, and we said a bow is to bend the body to show appreciation. Number 2, the wind or wind blew the chairs off the porch. Of course, it would be the wind. Wind is moving air. Number 3, our car had a flat tire. That has to be the rubber part of the wheel, so we would say it's the rubber part of a wheel. To review, homonyms are two words pronounced the same but have different spellings and meanings. Homographs are two words spelled the same but have different meanings and can be pronounced differently. This is an introduction of homonyms and homographs to get you started learning them.